Hello, today I am going to show you how to change domain name Shopify. Go to Store Details and under Store Details, kindly click Domains. Once you click that, it will take you directly to the site where you can see Buy or Connect a Domain. But it's up to you if you want to connect or buy a new domain. So when you click any of this, it will take you directly to the payment method. So feel free to choose connect or buy a new domain. This time I want to change my domain name on Shopify. So all I have to do is to type or look for any unique name for my Shopify. For example, virtual version 1015. So when I click add, you can see it or people can see that my name in Shopify has changed. As easy as that. So that's how you change your Shopify domain name. It's either you connect, buy, or you can just try this down here. After that, feel free to go back to your homepage. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video.